Hey there, and welcome to this helpful tech tutorial. If you're having trouble using your camera on Discord for Android, this video is exactly what you need. I'll walk you through the exact steps to enable camera access so you can video chat, stream, locate the Discord app icon on your Android home screen. Press and hold the Discord icon until a small menu appears. Tap on App Info from the menu that pops up. In the App Info screen, find and select Permissions. Now, tap on Camera from the list of available permissions. You'll see a few options. Choose Allow Only while using the app to grant camera access when Discord is active. Once selected, go back or close the settings. Your changes are automatically saved. And that's it. Your camera is now enabled for Discord. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech solutions. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.